The blinking white light on your Xfinity camera indicates it's in pairing mode, ready to connect to your Xfinity home network. This LED indicator signals that the camera has entered pairing mode automatically after power on or a manual reset and is waiting to establish a secure Wi-Fi connection with your Xfinity home hub. This is the first step in setting up or reconnecting your camera. The blinking stops once pairing is successful through the Xfinity Home app, where you'll scan a QR code or enter the camera's serial number to complete the secure connection. Ensure your camera is powered on before starting the setup process. Position your camera within 30 feet of your Xfinity router for optimal connection. Obstructions like walls or metal objects can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. A stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal is crucial for successful pairing. If you're still having trouble, try moving the camera closer to the router temporarily for the initial setup. Open the Xfinity Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Devices section in the app. Select Add Camera from the options. The app will guide you through scanning the QR code on your camera or manually entering the serial number. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Once paired, the app will prompt you to activate the camera. This involves verifying your location permissions and connecting the camera to your Xfinity account. The app screen will guide you through the activation process, showing options to enable location access and connect to your account. You'll need to grant location permissions for the camera to function properly. This ensures the device can be accurately placed and monitored. Once all permissions are granted and the camera is connected to your Xfinity account, the activation is complete. The blinking white light on the camera should stop, indicating successful setup. If the camera continues to blink white after attempting to pair, try a soft reset. Locate the reset button on your camera, usually on the back or bottom. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. This will restart the camera and reinitiate pairing mode. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the pairing issue, you'll need to perform a factory reset on your Xfinity camera. Different camera models may have the reset button in various locations. Check your camera's manual or look for a small recessed button, typically marked with a circular arrow icon. Press and hold the reset button for 20 to 30 seconds. You'll see the camera's light blink or change patterns during this time. The factory reset will restore the camera to its original factory settings, erasing all custom configurations. After the reset, you'll need to set up the camera again through the Xfinity Home app, including pairing and activation. Only perform a factory reset if all other troubleshooting steps have failed. Wi-Fi instability is a common culprit behind pairing problems. Ensure your Wi-Fi is working correctly and the signal is strong. Outdated app versions can also cause issues, so make sure you have the latest version of the Xfinity Home app. VPNs can sometimes interfere, so disable them during pairing. According to a 2025 case study, a family in Texas had pairing issues resolved by updating their app and switching to router channel 6. Xfinity is increasingly using AI to streamline troubleshooting. The Xfinity Home app now includes AI-powered troubleshooting wizards that guide users through fixes in real time. Future cameras may even feature fully voice-activated pairing, eliminating the need for manual app steps. Keeping your app updated ensures you benefit from these improvements.